What's up, digital hustlers? It's your guy, Jam, back again with another way for you to stack that paper without even breaking a sweat. Now, imagine this. What if I told you that you could get paid just for letting ads invade your screen space while you're binge-watching cat videos or pretending to be productive? Yeah, I know it sounds like one of those too-good-to-be-true things, but stick with me, because I'm about to blow your mind. Ever felt like the internet is just one big distraction? You know, you're trying to get stuff done, and boom, another ad for that must-have gadget you'll never actually buy pops up. But what if I told you that those annoying little ads could be your ticket to earning some cold, hard cash? Yep, you heard that right. Cash for doing what you're already doing. Now, hold up. Don't go searching for this magical money-making machine just yet. I'm about to reveal the secret sauce, and trust me, you'll want to hear this. So, you're probably thinking, Jam, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one, unless you count not knowing about this sooner as a catch. You see, there's this platform that practically begs you to take their money just for, wait for it, watching ads. And not just a few pennies here and there. We're talking $120 for a single ad, folks. Yep, I said it. Now, I know you're itching to find out more, but let's not ruin the suspense just yet. All right, enough teasing. The platform I'm talking about is SurfB. This little gem of a website pays you for what? Simply watching ads. And when I say it's easy, I mean easier than a slice of pie easy. You don't need a degree in anything. No special skills, no fancy equipment. Just you, your phone or laptop, and a few spare minutes. Here's how it works. You sign up on surf.b, slap on their extension, and voila. Ads start popping up while you're surfing the web. And get this, you don't even have to click on them. Just let them do their thing, and cha-ching, you're getting paid. I made nearly $30 in just one day without lifting a finger. And the best part? The minimum withdrawal is only 3 cents, so you're not stuck waiting forever to cash out. Now, you know me, I don't just talk the talk. I had to try it out for myself to make sure it wasn't one of those earn a fortune but never actually see the money schemes. I tested it, and guess what? It's legit. No smoke, no mirrors, just real money rolling in. I've already made over $70 this week, and I didn't even put in much effort. Honestly, if I'd been more diligent, I could have made even more. But hey, who's complaining about free money? And here's a little pro tip from yours truly. Use a VPN, set your location to the US, and watch your earnings skyrocket. It's like hacking the system, only it's totally allowed. Plus, you can earn even more by watching videos or referring friends. It's like getting paid twice for the same work. Not bad, huh? So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, sign up on surf.b and start making money while you're chilling at home. And don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Hustlers Club for more tips and tricks on how to make money from the comfort of your couch. Drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. And if you've got any cool side hustle ideas, I'm all ears. Until next time, keep hustling and keep earning. Thanks for watching, Digital Hustlers. Remember, the internet is full of opportunities. Some are just better than others. And this, my friends, is one of the best. See you in the next video.